first you're going to approach the back of your bike with your panniers, lay them across the seat. These are already adjusted, so the Velcro straps on top are basically there to adjust and make sure that your panniers sit right across the top, that they're pulled snug enough to hold themselves horizontally correct. Then you're going to take the rear strap, route it around your rear license plate or around your rear turn signals in a fashion that will be able to connect to the other side and also be able to pull tight to hold those bags and keep them from moving around along the back, bouncing and such. The weight of the bag is going to hold it on the bike along with the two front straps, but that rear strap keeps it nice and stable. So you're going to loop it through the loop, the end of it through the loop, and then pull it back and then press the little clip down, which is basically a little brake and holds it all in place. Then you'll be moving over to the front side. Here you can use a passenger foot rest or part of your frame rail if you don't have passenger footrest and the little bracketry to basically do the same thing. Loop around the inside, pull through the tab, and lock the tab down. Now we're going to do the other side. Pull through the inside, bring it around, and back through the tab, and then lock your little tab down in place. Now you can see we've got two flat Velcro strips going across the top. Your passenger can sit on those, they're not bad. And you've got the rear strap holding it in place, and you'll see how even they are in this shot here. And then lastly, you'll see a side profile of the shot. And there you go.